Hey, what's up guys, it's DOODLE Clubhouse, and in this video we're going to draw FunnelVision from the FunnelVision channel, run by the guys over on FGeeTV. So we're going to start with one circle, then we're going to draw this curved line and connect at the bottom. And we're going to put a black circle right there. Next we're going to go ahead and give this big circle, we're going to give this big circle a little smiley face. There we go. Give him some cheeks and some eyebrows. Then we're going to draw a curved line right there for the nose. And then the mouth. And we're going to draw his teeth. I'm going to draw a line right there, and then I'm going to draw this curve almost like a moon shape turned on its side for the eyebrow. We're going to draw another one for the second eyebrow. Now we're going to draw the shape of his face. There we go, kind of like a little squiggly line. I'm going to draw a straight line over. We're going to erase a little bit of that. Then we're going to draw a line going up. We're going to draw his ear, almost like a C shape for the ear. And then we can draw his hair. So we're going to start with a V. We're going to draw a line going across just above the eyebrows. Then we're going to give him his swirly hair. So a big swirl there. Coming back with a squiggly line, and then some points. And we just gotta connect that little gap that we left. And some circles for his freckles. And we drew his face. We're going to also draw his neck and his bow tie. Just like their profile picture or their icon from their channel. So there we go. We got the bow tie. And we got the outline, so let's go ahead and start coloring it in.